So today we've been doing the Ukie Student Conference, which is 24 speakers from the games industry over a full day of talks across 2 rooms. We've got an expo space just inside here where we've had 7 studios from the games industry doing careers talks, careers advice, CV workshops, portfolio reviews, looking at hiring our graduates.
Today is all about learning about, well, especially for a third-year student, we're just trying to figure out the best way to get into industry, learning the tips that people from companies will actually tell us, and just trying our hardest just to get our foot through the door.
So I'm the recruitment manager from Cloud Imperium Games. I'm actually here just to give some advice on portfolios and CVs and just help in any way I can possibly.
Today I'm going to talk about a little bit of how we kind of got to the idea of doing LEGO Speed Champions, how we first built our first blocks, the cars, the world, how we managed to match reality with this.
Enjoyed listening to them explain their whole process of making their Lego Forza, which was kind of interesting to see their perspective of how they thought that us as the players would enjoy it.
My name's Ryan Jackson. I did BA Hans Game Art and I'm now technical artist at Codemasters. My main job is supporting the artists in their pipeline, so I create tools to help speed up their workflow and look at the pipeline side of things to make sure things are being done as quickly and efficiently as possible.
Getting a job in the games industry is, it's really hard. So today I want to give you some really practical advice on how to get a job in the games industry once you graduate, or even some advice about how to get an internship and some work experience.
It gives you a more realistic idea of what you should be aiming for. I guess sometimes we have our own perspective of what we need to do or get done based on what we see, but then having a professional come here and tell you, exactly what we should, in what direction we should be aiming, is a lot more reassuring, I guess.
We've got a networking event and careers expo to come. It's going to be fantastic, and brilliant. It's been so fun. 350 people in one space. It's been fantastic.